Wacky.
Wacky Labs.
Yo aquí los veo. Le robo el código.
Good, good. Yeah, we managed to finish.
Edit that, I don't know. That was a good first.
Yeah. Run. What's up, guys? Alan G. So what's going on right now? You're gonna see that whole group of people back there. Those are the judges. They're going to every single group, and they're only gonna give them 3 minutes to go over what they did, and they gotta convince them. So actually, yesterday, about 24 hours ago, because it's already about 11 in the morning on Sunday, 24 teams started, and actually only 21 made it. But that's actually really good, because times before you lose up to half the team. So only losing like 3 teams, that's really not that bad. What's crazy though is that they worked for like 24, 28, 30 something hours, and they're only gonna get 3 minutes. If they get chosen though, they're gonna be the top 10 finalists. We're gonna move over to the next door, and they're gonna be able to make their main pitch in front of everybody. And remember, the winner is gonna get to meet Steve Wozniak. And from what I understand, you're gonna get a whole like 20 minutes to chill with the man. I've seen a lot of really cool tech today. There was a few challenges that if they wanted to, they could use the Visa APIs and the Kairos API. So Visa had a lot of really cool things to like accept like automated payments, like direct payments, and you can integrate it into anything. The Kairos API is really, really cool because it does all types of like face recognition, which we're gonna do another video on that later. Definitely subscribe so you can check that out. But what I saw, a lot of different apps use the face recognition. Is very, very interesting. I saw a dating app that they're gonna show you faces of just people, and you don't have to swipe left or right. You just look at them, and automatically the software will detect your face, whether it's gonna be like disgust or whether you're happy or any type of attraction. So it's gonna figure out what you like. And that's pretty interesting because maybe sometimes we feel like we don't even know what we want ourselves. Another really interesting one that I saw back there, when you go out with your friends and you want to split the bill, instead of trying to figure out, how you're gonna send the money to everybody, you're gonna take a picture, and the app is gonna automatically detect everybody's faces, and it's gonna split the bill among the different faces and send them their bill based on the face. I thought this video was pretty cool, the real deal. It's really interesting because I come from a design and marketing background, so it's really impressive that they did this whole branding and logo and like a little animation, and they even like set up their monitor in a nice way. So I thought it was a nice effort from them.
We augment your shopping experience. As you go to a shopping mall, you can hover the app over different logos and stores, and it will show you deals fetched from the Visa Merchant Office Resource Center. And as you go to different stores, you can see, and then there's a little ATM locator pointing to the ATM back there.
The real deal.
An Alexa version, where you can ask, Alexa, give me real deal offers near me.
The problem we aim to solve is for places like cruise ships, restaurants. We want to aid the customer service opportunities for them, and so we made this little name tag right here, which has a Raspberry Pi W and a camera in it, and it does real-time customer motion tracking using the Kairos APIs, and gives us comprehensive data analytics that show which of our employees are giving their customers the best experiences, the worst experiences, which customers are happy, which customers are sad, who we should give discounts to, etc. Smile metrics.
Oleg's app was actually pretty cool. It's called Net Value. With LinkedIn, they've come to find out that you really want to have quality connections. You don't want to have just 1,000 like recruiters. It's actually worth a lot more if you have a couple of like really heavy influencers. So they have this app where they'll scan like your LinkedIn profile in depth, and it'll tell you, what's your net value, as in the network value.
Trying to relax. This is and then you can start listening.
I know he's done.
Is a facial recognition checkout. So our company has our own hardware and software platform with our own facial recognition algorithms. A native iOS application where you can register a user. It'll train the algorithms to know, let's say, for example, Daniel's face, and attach that to his account. From there, you can add a credit card or like a room number if you're in a hotel or anything, and then you can make a payment, and everything is processed just with the person's face.
You know, what's really cool about this hackathon in particular is that really pretty much everything I saw, it's technology that we can really apply today. I mean, it's the type of thing that we really want to have in our pockets and that we want to be integrated into everything that we're doing on a daily basis.
Walkie Labs, STEM HQ, Silver Logic, Circodes Lab, Blade Runners, Matrix Labs, Leap City, Jet Smarter.
Last but not least, 45 teams registered and over 170 people. Unfortunately, it is taking a very long time for everyone outside of the tech community to acknowledge the fact that there is talent here. I hear it all the time. I'm sure you hear it everywhere, certainly, but particularly in Miami. No, there's just not enough tech talent. And every time I hear it, particularly when I hear it from some company, I'm talking specifically about the companies that don't come out to tech events, the companies that don't participate in hackathons. I get the impression when I hear those companies complain that they post a job on Craigslist, and if they don't get 20 people applying who are all willing to work minimum wage, then they decide there's just not enough coding talent here in South Florida.
Check out. You can see that the system.
It measures the emotion and sends that emotion data.
Gallery that the ship's photographer has been taking.
Co-founder. He's also the keynote speaker for tomorrow. Make your way over to the cafe if you want to meet the dev teams, hang out, talk a little bit. Thank you.
All right, so that was it. It's empty. This is what it looks after. Done and done. Next up, it's eMERGE. So make sure you're following the channel and keep up with all the new things that are coming.
Ness.